Good morning, everyone. It's been about a week since I painted this, so I've had a lot of time for it to sit and just dry nicely. I wanted to embellish with some alcohol ink, which I have some gold mixative. I believe this one is Ranger, so I really like the color. But I was testing out on just another painting another canvas that I was just going to pour over. And I didn't really like the way that the alcohol ink was working with the rubbing alcohol or some of the other medium that comes with this, the blending solution. It was dispersing a lot and I didn't like the pattern. So I started testing out other mediums, and I actually just grabbed some of my gloss varnish and I just started putting that down on the canvas and then putting the mixative right into it. And I really liked the way that it was forming. When it dried, it had some texture on it, so it'll be adding a little bit of texture in here. And this dries clear. It will be clear once it's all dry. So I also have a couple of really small detail brushes and just a little bit of water to help thin my medium a little bit. But I'm just going to start working on one corner and then I'll work on my other corner and just add some gold in a few areas. I really like the way that the metallic gives it a nice pop of color. So I like doing this. You have quite a bit of control instead of using the mixative medium to go with the blending solution. It's very, very thin, which is good, but at the same time, I did not have a lot of control on where it was going. So I'm going to add a little bit more. I'll move that down with my brush. And I'm slowly just working that gold into this area. And then once I like this the way it is, I will move on to another area. I think I'm going to put a little bit in right here. and you can add as much or as little as you want. When I was doing this painting, I didn't use any metallic colors, so this just gives it a little bit of that look that I like after the fact.